Welcome. In front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 855, and in this video I'm going to show you the easiest way to update or install drivers on this laptop. So for this operation you're gonna need an internet connection, so make sure that you're connected to the internet, and after that open your web browser, then open the search engine and look for HP drivers right here. Then find the official support.hp.com website, open it, then select your product type, which is the laptop for us. Then let HP detect your product by clicking this button right here. Then wait for the pop-ups to appear on your screen, but if you don't see it, click the if you don't see any pop-ups, click right here, then hit this checkbox and click start download. Then once you see this application starting download, open it. Okay, it might take some time to open. Click yes. Okay, I accidentally opened it twice. Never mind. Okay, right now click next, agree and install, and wait for the application to install on your PC. Okay, and right now click finish, then click continue, and then click open right here in the on the pop-up window, then click OK. Wait until this website identifies your product. And after it identifies your product, you'll have to select the OS and OS version. Okay, let's wait a little while. Okay, and once it identifies your laptop, click right here. Then on the in the following window, select the operational system. For me it's Windows 11. Then select the version. For me it's the last one right here. Then click submit, and then you can either download the drivers by selecting a separate driver right here. If you want to download a separate driver, just find it, click download, and then if you want to download it manually, click no thanks, I will download and install manually, or click OK, download now using HP Assistant. But if you want to download all the drivers at once, then let me again choose the specifics. Then select this option right here, then click open in the pop-up, then click OK, and then wait until this website detects your software and drivers that need to be updated. And as you can see, we got the list of updates that need to be performed. So to download them all, click select all, and then click download selected items, and then click OK, download now. Click open, And right now all the drivers will be downloaded, and once they are all downloaded, click install all, and the installation process will start. Okay, I see that the video drivers take some time to download because they are the heaviest ones, so let's wait. Okay, and once all the drivers are downloaded, click install all to install them. Click yes and click next. Accept the terms and agreements. Click next. And basically do the same thing with each driver you have on the list. Next, accept, next, and install. Okay, and basically repeat the same process for each driver that you have on the list. So I guess let me do that. And basically once you install each driver that you have to update, you have to restart your PC in order for changes to be applied. So just go along with the installation of each driver and then restart your PC, and you'll be done. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.